Even though Omarion's body was found and positively identified, authorities still have a lot of work ahead of them.
Preliminary autopsy results show no sign of trauma or foul play. Furthermore, the autopsy showed it is very likely Omarion was in the lake from the very first day he went missing.
Omarion Mars Humphrey, his small body discovered in the lake yesterday, nearly a week after he disappeared from Lake Callis Recreational Park in Davison. Seen here playing in the splash pad, believed to be the last time he was seen alive. Investigators headed up an exhaustive search that lasted days, looking for the 9-year-old with severe autism who couldn't speak. Hundreds of people searched for Omarion, many of them volunteers, with tracking dogs and on horseback, and in the sky, a helicopter and a drone. Despite the fact that dive teams had checked the lake previously, investigators are confident Omarion had been in there the entire time. With his foster family at the time of his disappearance, his biological parents made an ironic point after Omarion's body was found yesterday.
They didn't get to teach him how to swim.
That was what we were going to teach him how to do, to ease him into water, something to do, and we didn't get that chance,
Today, the police chief said this is still an open investigation, but he would not comment on whether the foster mother would be charged with neglect.
Criminal charges should be pressed against the foster mother because she didn't watch him, and it resulted in a death of a child, something that could have been totally prevented.
And now investigators are going back and looking at all of the pieces, trying to figure out how and why Omarion wandered away and why someone wasn't watching him more closely. In Davison, Camille Ameri, 7 Action News.